Greetings from CAGS. I'm sure you're wondering what CAGS stands for. It's an abbreviation that we all use for the Crimson Anisha Global School. What makes us so unique at CAGS? We are a child-centered school and our mission is to tap the potential of every student and nurture him or her to reach his true potential.
So Crimson is a reunion of experienced educationists from all across the country. They've all come together to set up Crimson. And no matter we were working with good schools, our objective was to find equally good schools across the country, and Anisha Global School was one of such schools. So they joined hands, both Crimson and Anisha, along with the Kolte Patil family, all came together to set up Crimson Anisha Global Schools to make those schools from being good to be great schools. Complying to the national education policy which is being launched in the country is a huge priority for us. Establishing and combining vocational education, integrating sports and different streams of education back with academics is another huge objective behind Crimson Anisha Global Schools.
At Crimson Anisha Global School, we believe in a learner-centric approach. So learners in the school, according to me, are not just the students and the teachers, but we would like our parents also to be a part of this learning process. And together we make the school what it is going to be in the future.
Problem solving, creative thinking, critical thinking are all an important part of NEP 2020. And this is what we have been doing since the last 15-20 years.
Our focus, especially for the board batch students, classes 9 to 12, CBSE and Cambridge, is to ensure we offer a diverse range of subjects to prepare them for a plethora of careers. So electives like artificial intelligence, subjects like design and technology or sociology. So these subjects ensure students can pursue subjects or areas that they are truly passionate about. Our strength at Crimson Anisha Global School is also our teachers. Our teaching staff have experience with both Cambridge as well as the CBSE curriculum. Our relationship with both these boards is also another big strength for all of us at Crimson Anisha, and we look at leveraging this to ensure students get the best possible experience in whichever curriculum they join us for.